how to add additional business categories to your Google Business profile. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add additional business categories to your business profile. So if you are ignorant about this, ensure you watch this video to the end. The first step is to log in into your Google Business account, and to log in into your Google Business account is very simple. Just open a web browser of your choice and then type out www.google.business slash google.com/business, and then once you've done that, you'll be brought to your business profiles page, as you can see, where you can see your business name, the location, and then some tools containing how you can work on your account. Then the next step is for you to click on the edit profile, which is the first tool on this page. Then once you click on it, you'll be redirected to the page where you can now work on your profile. And then for you to locate where the category is, it's not difficult. It's under the about tab. Under the business information tab, you can see 5 tabs, which include about, contact, location, hours, and more. Automatically you'll be on the about tab, and that's what we'll be working on. And then once you're under this tab, just scroll down till you can see business category, and then you click on it. Now once you click on the business category, you will see two options. The first option is to change the name of the category which your business is located currently, or you can decide to add another category. So this is the additional category. So you can just click on add another category, type it out, and then once you type it out, click on save, and then just like that, that particular category would be added to your Google Business account or your Google Business profile. It is very simple. So this is how you can add additional business categories to your Google Business profile. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.